Sometimes if you are using a wordpad document in your Microsoft computer and this is the save icon, and in some cases if the save icon is missing in your wordpad or document you are preparing, and if the save button is missing, how to enable is discussed in this video. So look here, you cannot see a save icon now. So if you want to save the test you are tabbed here, you cannot save here because no save button is there. So how to enable this save? For doing this you must click here. If you click here, then you can see this quick access toolbar, and here a save option is there. So if you must make your mouse click here, so if you click here, then you can see that the save icon comes here. So you can see that here it is saved. So if you want to save something, you can simply click this save. So if you want to save the active document, you can simply click here, or even you can try the shortcut method, that is by pressing the control key and S key at the same time. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.